Hey, are you ready to level up your website building skills? In just 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to create a sleek and functional to-do list website using the revolutionary language model, ChatGPT. So first, we will start with asking the question. As you can see, ChatGPT is generating the HTML code for index.html file, followed by CSS and JavaScript file. But what makes this website so special is that it is created using ChatGPT, the state-of-the-art language model developed by openAI. It will help you write the code quickly and efficiently, and you don't have to be a coding expert to do this. So now, copy the HTML file and paste it on index.html file. Then copy the CSS file and make a new file as style.css and paste the code there. Then copy the JavaScript file and paste it by making a new script.js file. Now go to the folder where you have made the file, and click Open the index.html file, and boom, the website is ready with just a few clicks. Hope you liked the video, so hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more amazing tech tutorials.